Hello, in this video, we will look at evaluating expressions and operator precedence. Python expressions are evaluated in the same way as arithmetic expression. So let's see, this is the arithmetic expression. Now we translate it into Python expression. So in the arithmetic expression, so you're going to evaluate things inside the parentheses. And for things inside the parentheses, you're going to apply the precedence order for the operators, multiplication, division, remainder, executed before addition and subtraction. Now, if their operators are the same here, it's evaluated from left to right. Although Python has its own way to evaluate an expression behind the scene, the result of a Python expression and the corresponding arithmetic expression are the same. So that is really reassuring. So you don't have to worry about and what is behind the scene, what does Python do, but doesn't really matter, the result is going to be the same. So let's look at this here. We are looking at this expression and see how this is evaluated first.
Inside the parentheses, 4 plus 3 is executed first, which evaluates to 7.
So now we're going to evaluate the multiplication.
4 times 4 is now executed, which evaluates to 16.
Next multiplication.
5 times 7 is now executed, which evaluates to 35. 3 plus 16 is now executed, which evaluates to 19. 19 plus 35 is now executed, which evaluates to 54. 54 minus 1 is now executed, which evaluates to 53. The evaluation is finished. You may restart the animation.
That is all for evaluating expressions and operator precedence. So the key point is, although Python has its own way to evaluate an expression behind the scene, the results of a Python expression and the corresponding arithmetic expression are the same. So this is reassuring. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.